Try mo na sa direction.
You gotta go like this, Joanna. You gotta go like this. There you go.
Give me that! Masunog yung hotdog mo. Dapat ikaw magluto.
Naguyong data nga tindera.
Walang customer.
Oh, how much do I have to owe you?
Ala, parang si Diwata ng... Ala, Diwata.
There's the price.
Ititi mo na yung hotdog. Naluto na siya.
May sakamot, lala.
Naluto na yung hotdog mo.
Sunog na! Hotdog is burned. The hotdog is burned. Hindi kasi nagkakaon. Kala ko
Oo, matapang yung tindera.
Lulutuin pa yung hotdog. Buksan mo na.
Ay, Lo. Sarado. Close.
na siya, close. She's close. No. You mean?
Really?
I want my burger and my...
Kailangan na ice cream.
Where's my food, ma'am?
Wait.
I have a question. How much do I have to
Oo,
owe you?
galit.
Wait. So you spin like that. No. Yeah. Strawberry there. Oh,
Matapang.
cups there, Gilana. Cups. Cups. Right there. Right there. Ketchup and mustard.
Tea basil here.
No, I think it goes in the side.
No, I don't.
No, that's not how you do it.
What's it?
Let me show you.
Where's the
Yes.
paper?
Oh, what is it?
Oh, the pizza go in the side. Oh, in the oven like this.
No. Let me show you.
Let me show you.
Oh no.
Oh! Eh, naupuan niya. Diyos
Wow,
ko.
the minions laugh.
Wait.
O, maligo na, Jo.
No, I'm playing.
Naghihintay siya.
Naghihintay.
Nang.
Pera.
My food. I'm moving.
See?
Pera. Naghihintay ng pera.
Other side, Gilana, because the oven is on this side. So you go.
Naghihintay ng pera. Grandma had money, anak.
No, so the customer goes.
Saan mo gagamitin yung pera?
Okay?
No.
Kinuha na niya yung pera mo.
But oven.
I know you passed.
No, because the oven, you have to cook the pizza. in
Oo nga, ano ba yung pera? Tanong mo ah. Bakit kailangan pera?
Kaya ba't kailangan ng pera?
Julene, Grandma is asking why you need money.
Because I'm broke.
Sinong bibili?
I don't know.
Grandma is asking why you need money.
I'm broke.
I know why you need money.
I don't know.
Why are you broke?
I just want money.
Wala.
No, Julie. You have to chill.
You have to work. She's working right
I'm
now.
working right now, buddy.
No. You didn't pay that.
Well, I'm still waiting for my food.
Gilana,
Where's
see,
my food?
the price is here. So this is baliktad yung sticker.
Joanna,
We have to put the sticker outside.
Joanna, can I please?
Wait, no, wait. Take it.
Sabihin mo, kailangan
Make it
ilagay yung mga yon. Parang pag nag-order ng burger, ilalabas niya.
Huh?
Ipasok mo doon sa loob yung
Oh,
mga yan.
Grandma said you have to put everything in the
Hide it
oven.
there.
Dana, how you do it?
No, to make it warm. So it's
No.
still warm.
Oh, Madonna, how you
Pag
do
may
it?
customer, may burger.
That's not how you do it nga ron.
Ikaw na magluto.
Can you be the customer now?
Yung nga tawagin ka. Call Grandma to cook.
Joanna, can you be the customer?
Ni.
Joanna, can I cook? Joanna, can I cook? Joanna. Joanna, can I cook? Joanna, can you be customer and I cook?
Sabi mo, bigyan mo ng pera pang paliguan mo na.
Joanna, can I cook?
Gilana, I'll give you money.
Joanna, can I cook?
You cook your own.
Do that.
I thought you know everything.
Put the banana inside the blender, it says.